In this Adobe InDesign lesson, we will continue to work with objects. This lesson is still in lesson 4. And we are working on a 4-page newsletter. We'll add text and images and make several modifications to the objects in this document. The main goal of this lesson is to create multiple columns, adjust text and vertical alignment, create and modify graphics frame, as well as place a graphic within its existing frame. To start with, we'll take an existing text frame and convert it to a multiple column text frame. So by using the zoom tool, I have encircled it there. We have from the tools panel, we'll zoom to this portion of our document. If you see the magnification, that's 150%. We'll choose object menu and then go to text frame options. In the generals tab, this is now the text frame options dialog box, and the generals tab, change the number to 3. Adjust, just leave the rest of the settings as it is. So yeah, we'll just only change to 3, then click OK. We'll select the type tool from the tools panel. I have encircled it there. Click the insertion point here, and that's actually in front of the name Amy O. So put the insertion there. Choose type menu, insert break character, and choose column break. Once we hit that one, that particular command forced the text Amy O to move to the next column. As you can see from this page, Amy O is now in the second column. Now we'll be forced to add a column break for Jeff G. So let's place the cursor in front of Jeff G and then choose the column break again. So in type, insert break character, hit the column break selection tool. And once we hit column break, this is now the result in our document. Notice Amy O and Jeff G have moved to the second and third columns. Let's choose type menu and show hidden characters. It's down there. In the document, you'll notice and see the break characters. The red circles indicates the column break characters. I have encircled it there. So we have just created multiple columns in our document. Next, we'll adjust text inset and vertical alignment. So in this section, we'll finish the red title bar on the cover by fitting the text nicely into the frame. So we'll zoom in and select the red text frame by using the selection tool, as I have indicated it there. Next, we'll choose the object menu, then go to text frame options. In the text frame options dialog box, under generals tab and the inset spacing, we'll disable the make all the settings the same. That's actually encircled in blue. Change also the settings for inset spacing to left equals 3p0 and right equals 3p9. And don't forget to check the preview button. In the vertical justification, choose center and we can click the OK button. The title bar looks like this one now. Next, we'll align the URL to the right side. As we can see, the URL is somewhere in the center. We wanted to move it to the right. So let's choose the type tool, place the insertion point in the first letter of the URL. That's in the www. I have encircled in blue. And we'll go to type menu, insert special character, choose other, and right indent tab. And now we have encircled the URL there, and that's placed towards the right side of the title bar. So we go ahead, choose edit and deselect all, and we can save what we have done so far. In this section, we'll focus on different techniques for creating and modifying graphics frames and its contents. We are going to add the company logo. To begin, we'll create a frame for the logo. So we'll select the layers panel, unlock the graphics layer, then lock the text layer as we have encircled it there. And we'll select the graphics layer so that the new elements will be assigned to this layer. So make sure graphics is active. Graphics layer is active. And we'll zoom in the upper left corner of the front page, as I have encircled in green there. Select the rectangle frame tool from the tools panel. We'll create graphics frame in here. Just right on top of our red text frame. And using the selection tool, we'll select the graphics frame. So how are we going to place graphic within its existing frame? So we'll choose the File menu and click Place. You will be able to see the Place dialog box. So locate the file logo underscore paths.ai and click Open button. Now the image appears in the graphics frame. So to ensure that the graphic is displayed at the highest possible resolution, choose the Object menu, then go to Display Performance and choose High Quality Display. So let's make it a habit to save our work from time to time. I hope that we have learned about creating multiple columns, adjusting text and vertical alignment, creating and modifying graphics frame, placing a graphic within its existing frame. We'll continue designing this newsletter in our next lesson. Thank you.